Rise after the fall. Most great people have attained their greatest success just one step beyond their greatest failure. Because failure is often the silent teacher that shapes character, sharpens determination, and reveals hidden strength. Every obstacle becomes a test of courage. Every setback a reminder that growth happens in the struggle. Those who refuse to quit, even when the path feels heavy and uncertain, eventually rise higher than they ever imagined. Success is rarely about never falling. It is about rising again, wiser, stronger, and more focused than before. Greatness belongs to those who keep moving when everything tells them to stop. What many people don't realize is that the moment they feel most discouraged is often the moment right before everything begins to change. Life sometimes pushes us to the edge, not to break us, but to teach us how far we can stretch. Failure whispers doubts, but perseverance speaks truth that you are capable of more than you think, stronger than you feel, and closer to your breakthrough than you can see. Every dream requires patience, sacrifice, and resilience. The champions we admire today were once beginners who stumbled.